Hi everyone! Today, I'd like to share my personal dining experience at a Sangyupsal restaurant located in Pasig City. To be honest, I won't be recommending this place based on what I personally experienced. Actually, my sister reminded me not to post anything negative kasi nga hindi kasalanan ng crew. They're just doing their jobs. Wait lang, paganda muna ko gamit yung Hello Glow. So going back, I totally agree with her. Kaya this video is not meant to bash or complain. Gusto ko lang i-share yung naging experience ko nang makatulong din sa iba. Let's start with the positives. The meat was quite good, malasa, tender, and enjoyable. Plus, the restaurant wasn't crowded. So comfortable naman yung ambience. Even the chicken wings were okay. Ordinary lang ang lasa pero sobrang dry, medyo overcooked actually. So while the flavor was fine, nakabitin sa texture, still, I appreciated the effort. Now, here's why I still can't recommend it. First, the service was extremely slow. Ang tagal bago kami mapansin. And when we were finally approached, paulit-ulit pa ang follow-up. To be fair, kulang talaga sila sa tao. You can see how tired the crew were, parang robot na sa pagod. So I try to understand, hindi ko sinisisi ang staff, but for a business with regular customers, sana na-anticipate nila yung need for more manpower. Second, I noticed 1 or 2 langaw. May isa pa nga lumanding sa balat ko. Yes, I caught it on camera. Actually, naisip ko nga baka ako talaga yung nililigawan ng langaw. Char! But seriously, it raises hygiene concern which is very important for any food place. Third, we waited 45 minutes for the first refill. According to the staff, naubusan na sila ng meat dahil hindi dumating yung delivery. And their meat cutting machine was down. They said the delivery was supposed to arrive at 5 p.m. pero wala pa rin. Sana man lang in-inform kami agad if we had known na wala ng stock, hindi na kami nag-antay. And for the fourth, the aircon was leaking, not a major issue pero nakakainis din kapag natatalsikan ka ng tubig habang kumakain. And lastly, mabagal din ang refill ng side dishes. But again, I'm not blaming the staff. They were very kind actually, honest and apologetic. You can see they were really doing their best kahit stressful na yung situation. In summary, the food was flavorful and the staff were nice. But overall, nakaka-disappoint pa rin yung experience. I'm sharing this not to ruin their reputation but to help manage expectation for future customer. And hopefully, ma-address na ng management yung staffing, supply issues, and overall service quality. So guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. And always remember, an honest review isn't hate. It's simple truth delivered with respect. So bye everyone. Thank you and God bless.